Hi, this is Chris Senna with ProTech Painting, and behind me is our newest commercial center that we just finished painting last week. What I like about this project is our ability to change the colors. So the colors really pop. So if you look at the neighboring centers around us, it's really probably going to set the trend on a new color scheme out here, number one. Number two, this property was having a lot of water intrusion issues from the roof and the top foam pop-outs. So we had a chance to correctly install new caps and patch the stucco properly prior to the preparation and painting. If you manage a property like this or own a property like this, call us today and we'll help you with a color consultation, a price to get work done, so that way it can look like this.